The Civil War had ended, but the wounds ran deep. The United States faced the enormous task of reuniting a broken nation and redefining freedom for millions of newly emancipated people. This was the era of Reconstruction, filled with hope, resistance, and unfinished business. The southern United States lay devastated. Cities and farms were destroyed. The economy had collapsed. Over 4 million formerly enslaved people were now free, but with no land, money, or legal protection. The question now, how would the South rebuild, and who would control it? During Reconstruction, 3 key constitutional amendments were passed. The 13th Amendment, in 1865, abolished slavery. The 14th Amendment, in 1868, granted citizenship and equal protection under the law, and the 15th Amendment, in 1870, gave Black men the right to vote. These amendments were revolutionary, on paper at least. In practice, equality faced violent resistance. Reconstruction brought real gains for African Americans. The Freedmen's Bureau established schools, hospitals, and helped reunite families. Black men voted and held office. Over 2,000 of them were elected at local, state, and federal levels. Hiram Revels became the first Black U.S. Senator in 1870. But backlash was fierce. White supremacist groups like the Ku Klux Klan used violence to intimidate voters. Southern states passed Black codes. Section 6. After Reconstruction, Southern states quickly imposed Jim Crow laws enforcing segregation, poll taxes, literacy tests, and grandfather clauses to stop Black citizens from voting. The U.S. Supreme Court upheld segregation in Plessy v. Ferguson, 1896. Separate but equal became the law of the land, though conditions were anything but equal. Lynching, economic oppression, and disenfranchisement defined the African American experience for decades to come. Section 7. Legacy of Reconstruction, 1330 minutes to 15 minutes. Reconstruction left a complicated legacy. It was the first major attempt to create a truly multiracial democracy in the U.S. It succeeded in changing